Hey guys, what's up? We're back to Asphalt 8 and I got a new car, the Cadillac, and today we're going to be racing in France, Guyana. I think that's how you say it. I don't think I'm gonna get the ramp. Yeah, no. This is a new map and this is the first time I'm racing with this car, so I don't know how it's gonna handle. The rating was better than my Audi R8, so I guess this one is better. Okay. Okay, let me take a right here. Let me know if you guys have any tips for how to win faster, or just how to get better at Asphalt 8. Just put them in the comments. I think I'm gonna try road switching. Let me just do that. It just looks fun, Yeah, I think this is gonna be the last switch. I called it. Let me take a right. It looks like we're racing in an airport right now. Oh no. I thought I could spin jump over that, but yeah, I couldn't. That would have been so cool if it actually happened, But I guess it didn't. I don't know why I didn't spin jump there. Maybe I just forgot. Yeah, let me hit a drift. Okay, I couldn't hear because I have the nitros going. Let me try to hit it here. Yeah, there's a big curve coming on. Let me try to hit the drift here. Bro, that was one of the most perfect drifts I ever hit. And yeah, I'm first place. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Bye.